All right, so this is officially the craziest pet store I've ever been to. They have every category of fish that you could possibly imagine. Dude, I'm seeing some saltwater fish that I've never seen before. I feel like this store is just giving me like, it's making me question everything I've ever known. What's up guys, we're here today at Kölle Zoo. This is one of the largest pet store chains in Germany.
It's a pet shop full of animals and supply stuff and everything really interesting to look at.
They have freshwater, saltwater,
Koi, hamsters, birds, anything you can think of.
Here we go, let's go check it out. Oh, there's more koi.
Yeah. This has been all handmade.
Oh wow, there it is. The last ball of koi food. There we go. Thank Uncle George.
These are all fish from our place.
It's crazy because you used to work here.
Yes, and now I deliver fish. And that's unique about also Kölle Zoo. They just dig a big hole inside here and put a pond inside in the middle of the shop. And that's all handmade here, like make to look like rocks.
It's very rare that you go into a pet shop and you see super high-end Japanese koi. Right off the bat, like you can tell that the store owner wants high quality stuff.
Yeah.
So. This is a nice big setup too.
Yeah, but that's also what Kölle Zoo is standing for. They're always trying to make it better for the animal than against the animal.
Oh, hi, look at these guys. Whoa.
They always stay bounded together forever.
Always.
So they only would sell it to you as a pair. And for example, what's also interesting, the hamsters, they will not sell before 5 o'clock in the afternoon because they're still asleep all the day long, so they will never wake him up to get sold.
Oh, look at this guy. He's just waking up.
I think if I was going to have any small animal, it'd be a rat. Because I love ratatouille.
I know, I do love ratatouille.
I don't know. I would not put one of those in my hat unless it cooked me like a fresh chicken parmesan.
So now the first koi tanks are coming here as well.
Are these also Japanese koi? Your koi?
Yes.
They look like
well, these are half my koi and other stock.
These are also some very high-end Japanese koi. That's awesome. These guys are getting some koi.
Yeah, these are buying some. So happy fish from Japan Koi Service. And here are some more. So these are also all from our place.
What are these? Mussels?
Yeah, for the pond. They filtrate the water and you can use them.
How do they do that exactly?
They try to get food out of the water, so they filtrate it and the dirt gets taken out.
They're filter feeders, so they are constantly filtering the water.
And see the babies? I'm not sure where they come from.
Oh, there's some little baby fish in there too. These are goldfish.
Like, look at that one with the red circle on its back.
This is crazy. You're telling me in this fish store they actually have these blue bins, like just like the ones we see in Japan.
For hand picking, yeah.
For hand picking. That's nuts. This guy's just chilling out. What is this dog doing?
What the dog doing?
This dog is just living life out here while they're picking out their fish. Guys, look at this. This is their fish section. They have so many fish and it's so colorful. Look at all these colors. Got the orange, bright yellow, all the colors of the rainbow here. So the way to tell the difference between a goldfish and a koi is goldfish don't have the barb. The little barbs that are come off
Around
the side
the
of
mouth.
the mouth.
And any goldfish, no matter which color, will never have barbs.
No barbs. Wow, there's some crazy colorful fish. Jeez. Wow, I really like this orange gravel. You don't really see these in the States very much. Oh, there they go. They're being aggressive towards each other, but that's basically sexy time when it comes to fish. They want to be more than just friends. Basically, they have every category of fish that you could possibly imagine here. Tons of little different types of tetras and rasboras. We got the ember tetras right here. And these are probably the cutest little nano fish. These are the pea puffers. He is so cute. Look at this display tank. Do you ever see a planted freshwater display tank like this in like a Pet Schmo or a PetSmart? No, you don't. It's filled with tons of these rummy-nosed tetras, and it's simple and beautiful.
It's good for the hobby, you know? Like, kids are gonna come in here and see these tanks and immediately they're gonna want this.
Look how big the plant section is. It's just crazy. And they got like tons of nice driftwood in here too. Wow, you just have it all. They
Look
even
at
have
this.
some specialty driftwood.
Bonsai.
The bonsais.
But look at this, the customer can make his own scape inside here. So you can say, oh, I checked this out before and just sort of design their own tank in this box.
Dude, there's even more over here. This would be like an aquascaper's dream. If this was like the fish store that existed on every corner in America, just think about how much bigger the hobby would be. This is amazing.
Coral fish, 12
The second one.
Yes, we have some viewership in Germany. Let's go.
Nice.
Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I'm from Romania, actually.
Oh, nice.
Keep up the good work, man.
Thank you.
Nice, inspiring.
Thank you. All right, this is their discus section. I mean, this is crazy. This many and this quality of discus in a fish store? You gotta be kidding me. When I was in Thailand and I went to a specialty discus breeder, you know, that's the most and nicest amount of discus I've ever seen. You're telling me they have that exists right now in a pet store. Wow. And they got like snake skin, all these different colors. Look at all these colors, guys. Look at this one, dude. This is like a sunset color, man. Discus fish, they're ranging from about 20 euros to 40 euros. And the most expensive discus they have are 160 euros. Wow. I mean, it's just kind of crazy. You ever kept discus?
No, actually not, never.
It's like koi.
Yes,
discus people are like koi people.
Yeah, very special.
Look at these. What are these? Killifish or what? Rainbow fish. Here, look at these rainbow fish. Wow. The store is amazing. Basically, whatever subcategory of the hobby you're into. They don't just have a tank with those kinds of fish. They have a whole section dedicated towards that category of fish. Hi.
He's a very famous guy from the shop here. He's been in the hobby since all his life.
Amazing. What's your name?
Alfons Neumann.
Do you speak English?
Fit in English?
Little.
But he's been in the hobby ever since he can think about it.
You're taking care of the fish here?
Yeah, he takes care of the fish.
Dude, you're doing a great job. Keep this up. American.
A guy like him, yeah.
We need a guy like this. These are the guppies. Wow, look at those colors. Yeah, these are some like super crazy colored guppies. You see these tails? I think these are like the cobra or like the snake one. It's amazing. Look how many fish they have. Look how colorful these rams are. Do you see them in there? So they got an amazing freshwater section. Look at all those tanks. But then over here, they have an entire saltwater section. This is amazing. How many of these stores exist?
17 in Germany.
17 in Germany. Are there other big pet store chains?
Yes, but they are in the other half of Germany where you're traveling soon. So
a chain like this has to put those stores out of business, right? You can pick out your own live rock over here. And then look at all the corals. Look at all the corals. Wow. The Achilles tank. Look at that. The size of these frags is amazing. Yeah. And they all look so healthy. We got a little starfish action going on right there. Dude, this is crazy. Look at all the fish. Wow. We got some beautiful fish right here. Wow, look at how fluffy this Goniopora is. This is called a flower pot coral because you can see all the little tentacles. They look like little flowers. And then back there, those are my favorite. These are candy cane coral, more euphyllias. Those zoanthids back there, these are called Sunny D zoanthids. So all of these tanks right here are just filled to the brim with coral. You can see we got a little copper band butterfly in here. Not only beautiful coral, but like a ton of beautiful fish. Wow. The gem tang is 600 euros. Wow, look how beautiful this fish is. This is a wrasse, red and white with a blue tail. The saltwater fish are so beautiful. We got some fire shrimp in the house.
This goby right here had a little too much to drink.
This is a pipefish. Look at him, he's like orange and blue. These are a type of wrasse, right?
Yes.
Whoa, look at this guy. Dude, I'm seeing some saltwater fish that I've never seen before.
This is Manuel, he's the owner of the shop.
Oh, hello. Nice to meet you. So how are you guys able to do it? What does it take to make sure you maintain such a high level of quality?
I think you need a lot of love, a lot of passion for what you do. We are all crazy for pets. Everyone has a dog or cat, so I think that's really important. And then a lot of maintenance.
The owner Manu has actually been nice enough to let Matt take us behind the shop and basically see some of the behind the scenes. So we're gonna just get a quick look.
These are the water tanks for mixing salt water the customers can buy. We'll probably just look around the back.
Wow. All right, so they got all their saltwater fish right here. And then just like the freshwater section, they have a saltwater display tank. So this is maybe what would inspire someone to get into the saltwater hobby. Wow. Look at these anthias, beautiful. Just amazing. We have a goby shrimp pair right here. They got a couple more freshwater display tanks right here. Wow, that is a beautiful little nano freshwater fish. And then what are those? Those are really pretty as well. So now we're moving over into the dog and cat stuff.
This is like their own brand for dog food. And then you have everything, lamb, venison.
Oh my gosh.
Horse.
Horse?
Yeah, horse lung.
They have horse?
Yeah, horse meat.
Dude, look at those bones. All this food is for dogs?
Dogs and cats.
Because it feels like right now I'm in like a meat deli store for humans.
It's like in a butcher shop.
Yeah, it looks like I'm exactly.
Here you get ice cream for dogs.
Dude, what is this place? We just saw that man walk by. He had a whole grocery cart full of meat. That man's dog is eating good. What dog is eating this? I'm so confused.
Yeah, they love fish more than cats.
All right, so this is officially the craziest and also the nicest pet store I've ever been to.
See, rabbit ears for the dog.
Wait, what?
These are rabbit ears, yeah? It's for the dog.
Is that real?
It's real.
That's
Serious.
That's not real.
Like this.
Dude, it is not real.
This is real.
Tell me that's not real.
Yeah, sure.
Do you like this?
See, he loves it.
Do you like rabbit ears?
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes. See,
yes, he
every
does.
dog likes ears.
If you like this video, what do you have to do, Matthew?
Subscribe, click the bell icon.
You heard the man. Matthew subscribed, and you should too if you want to continue on this journey in Germany. Guys, an amazing pet store. It's called Kölle Zoo. I'm going to leave the link in the description to their website. Hopefully you can find a list of locations if you live here in Europe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to drop it a like and subscribe to my channel. Remember to keep those nitrates low. George, out.